I'm Freddy, founder and CEO of New Roots. Today we are in beautiful Oberdiessbach in the heart of Switzerland, and we're gonna give you guys a tour of our new factory. So we're just sterilizing the hands and everything. So we're just gonna meet Simon, our production manager. Simon has 20 years in cheese making experience. How does it feel to work for a company that produces ethical vegan products?
Ja, die grösste Differenz ist sicher der Rohstoff. Also wir kaufen die Nüsse anstelle von Milch. Wenn wir dann die Nussmilch hergestellt haben, merken wir da eigentlich nicht mehr grossen Unterschied. Wie die Abfüllung, die man hier sieht, es sind die gleichen Anlagen wie in einer traditionellen Molkerei oder Käserei. Wie auch die Anlagen hier, wo wir die Nüsse mahlen und herstellen, die Milch.
So what's cool about our new facility is that we have huge capacity to keep up with the demand. And the thing about our new facility is that it's running 100% without any fossil energy.
Wir haben hier einen coolen Neubau stellen mit nachhaltiger Energie, die komplett fossilfrei die Kälte und die Wärme produziert. Und alle Abwärme können wir jetzt zurück in den Prozess einfließen.
One important thing is also that we really keep going with the Swiss cheesemaking heritage.
We tried to make an as elegant product as cow milk cheeses with really a few ingredients, and through fermentation and the use of different microorganisms we generate the taste, the classical cheese taste, and also we create the typical look of a cheese.
I'm French and my partner Freddy is Swiss, so we both grew up eating and loving cheese. And when we went vegan for ethical reasons, we realized that for ourselves, as well as others, the hardest thing to give up was cheese. That's why we founded New Roots in 2015, because we really wanted to give people a chance not to have to choose between ethics and palate pleasure.
We're entering the logistic area. Christy, good morning.
Good morning, Freddie.
What are we doing here?
Hey, we're packing spreads. They go all over Switzerland, in the bio shops, Co-op and Migros, and then we're also exporting to Germany and the UK.
So the special thing about New Roots is that we always go the extra mile, whether it's about the high quality of our products or our sustainable production processes and our ethical message. We're also super lucky to be working with mission-aligned team members who are crafting the traditions of the future with us.